Yeah, good, that's the idea. But now it has, when you take the step, it's like you take something. So you're reaching, you're like this, and then as you take the step, you take something, and you take something back into you. Okay, so just as you take the step, pull into your body, and then when you're here, it relaxes a little bit, but keep aware of your hands, okay? So keep a kind of a weight in your hands, and then from there, you start again. So reach, and take.
Che non luogo. Zaenkrat se vse zaustavlja okrog vprašanja, na katero zaradi svojega malomarnosti ne znam odgovoriti, in sicer v katerem nadstropju Mešir, ki ga vedno imenujem number one, čaka z vašo nalogo.